Hello my friends, and greetings to you again from Latvia, from Saldus. And this time it will be a little bit unusual video. I want to share with you a good few churches in the area and other church related events where I was taking part. And I think for some of you it might be something interesting and unique. If not, feel free to skip for my next video when it comes. We are now in a countryside church in Nīderlande, and as sometimes it happens, there is a graveyard around church, and there's so many birds today. Can you hear them? I love this Latvian countryside silence and these birds, so amazing. And this is what a Latvian graveyard looks like typically. Quite typically, I would say, yeah. And all these small flowers, vizbulītes in Latvian. They're very small, but very pretty. And also in some other places there are other wild flowers which are called sniegpulkstenītes, these white ones. And these are vizbulītes. Cute. Isn't this cool? They're operating the bell from here.
Jonathan.
Kad es pravietoju, sākās troksnis, kad kauli samustējās un tojās viens otram. Lasījums no mūsu kunga Jēzus Kristus evaņģēlijā, kur uzrakstīts svētais Marka 16. nodaļā. Kad sabata diena bija pagājusi, Marija Magdalēna un Marija Jēkaba māte un Salome nopirka smaržīgās zāles, lai iet un svaidītu Jēzu. Cēla pilsētu savam vārdam, tad atsakoties no Dieva, ceļot sevi Dieva vietā, sākot celt taukus, devis spīdekļus, sauli tēvis, lokā darinātus tēvus.
Forever my love, forever my heart, forever my life is yours, Lord. Forever my love, forever my heart. Forever
eternity.
Bet ja Jēzu Kristu un Dieva dēlam ir vara pār nāvi un ētri,
But if Jesus, the Son of God, Jesus Christ has the power over death and hate,
tad viņam ir vara pār visu.
then he has power over everything.
He's our God. We are the people of His pasture, and we're the sheep of His.
Cilvēks laulībā sapratu, ka laulība ir viena no grūtākajām lietām, kur izdzīvot mīlestību. Vīriem mīlēt tās savas sievas nav nemaz tik viegli. Jo mēs jau gribam tā pa savam mīlēt. Mēs esam šādi un tādi, un tad tām sievām vajadzētu pieņemt, ka mēs viņus tā mīlam, kā mēs mākam. Tāpat viņš ņēma arī biķeri pēc vakarēdienu, pateicās un tiem to deva sacīdams. Mūsu baznīca atbalsta vienu mazu baznīcu tur Indijā. Annas Irbas Evanģēliskās Lutriskā baznīca Indijā.
You see, friends, this is my YouTube channel, and down there is the link to my Patreon, where every now and again I post some little bit more personal videos where I share a bit more about my life. I thought maybe somebody of you might be interested.
This is Es jau nezinu, kur es eju. Kur? Tais? Te? Kādu somu ir? Oi. Aļo.
Pirms augstināt skolību un sekot Jēzum ar saviem grēkiem, kādībām, ziņām, cīnījāmies paši. Un kāds bija rezultāts? Lielākoties mēs piedzīvojam ko? Mēs zaudējam šīs cīņas, piedzīvojam satāvas, taču tagad kristībā Dievs mūsu sauc savā vārdā.
Dzīve mūžīgā un uzvara, man atskaļīgi lieka Jēzus dzīvs. Viņš ir dzīvs, būs. Līdz tā mūžībā pilnībā
Un vēl mēs varam jautāt, vai patiešām Jēzus ir mūsu labāks kāds, vai tiešām mēs tādu dzīvi nopietni vai īstam izvēlamies sekot Jēzu.
You know, friends, maybe when you heard about my Patreon, you were thinking, it's probably some expensive stuff and I don't need any extra expenses at this time of my life. But let me tell you something. I deliberately chose not to put any limits on those payments at all. You can literally choose your own amount of your monthly subscription, and whatever you will choose, it will be your monthly subscription payment. And you can change it or cancel it at any time. You can literally leave the same default $5 per month, but you can put, I don't know, 50 cents per month. Whatever you will put there will be your monthly payment. And you will get the same access to all my Patreon videos. these views, I will say goodbye to you, my friends. And stay tuned for my next videos about my time in Latvia before we move back to some warmer countries, which you will see later. If you would like to hear more from me, my friends, and at the same time to support me in my ways, I would like to invite you to become my patron. You can find the link to my Patreon just below the channel description in my YouTube channel's About page.